Shut up! No one cares, Stephanie. Shut. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing anymore, but guys, I'll turn off the lights and be right with you again. Yay! Really, Moo? You and your beautiful blue eyes are still blue? Still blue? You're just gonna have blue. Milkshake. Mom, the kittens keep going in our food. What? The kittens keep going in our food. Okay. Anyway, guys, sorry this was so. No, just kidding. Look at my sucker. I'm still eating it, so I'm gonna set her now because I'm gonna have this sucker in my mouth. Better be jealous. I see you. Especially you, Milkshake. Anyway, let me do a review of their names before I say peace out. Oh, wait, I just said it. Here's Squeakers. Milkshake is hiding. Wait, where'd Milkshake go? Milkshake is there. A boy. Here's Lucy. And then a beautiful cow-looking cat, Moo. And of course Persephone and Spike, whose eyes are gonna be glowing somewhere. Let me just find her. Spike, look at me. No, look at me. Peace out.